Luke Bryan, Fox Lane, 15-1 down on mat number 2. We need a Catholic Central coach to the head table. Catholic Central coach to the head table. Our last bout number of the day, 660. 660. It's our last bout number of the day. We're getting close here, and a great day of wrestling here at the Eastern States Classic 2025. We thank you all for being a part of the family and making your way across the country. 9 states and 170 schools represented here at the 21st Annual Eastern States. These wrestlers on the mats looking to stay alive as we work to get to bout number 660. We move to 170 pounds on mat number 2. And no score as we move to period 2 there with Nikolai Pinckney of Central Valley. Anthony Velasquez of Freeport going at it on mat number 2, 170 pounds. We're at 190 pounds on mat 3. With Nate Famonen of Chaminade, Salvatore Descenso of Austin. Coming up on mat number 7, Rise Duo and Central Catholic C.J. Luke of Rye. A victory by Kingston Strauss there on 7. And your number 13 and 14 seeds about to go at it on mat 7 with Luke and Dewar. Wrestling on mat number 6, starting that match with Zane Battley of Washingtonville, Sharif McMillan of Wancock, 190 pounds there on 6.